Good day, guys. Welcome to King FX Trading Mastery. If today will be your first time you will stumbling on our channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and ensure you click the bell icon so that you can receive notification on any video we upload. And you want to look out for new content right from this minute as we upload a lot of videos. So in exchange for this value, make sure you subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. All right, so let's get started. This is the midweek analysis between March 23rd and March 26th. All right, so this analysis is for today 24th and Friday 26th. All right, so this is the midweek analysis. The analysis we made from the beginning of this week, there were not much trade for us to pick, as a lot of peers were still finding looking for their direction. But now we can see a lot of peers has moved. Okay, a lot of peers has moved. So this has given us a good trade opportunity for us to look out to. So we have a lot of trades to look out to between now and Friday. So the first pair I'll be talking about is AUD Swiss Franc. So let's start from the weekly. So this is coming from a strong resistance zone. So it has the potential to keep moving down. So AUD Swiss Franc on H4, we can see this has broken the 120 moving average so to the downside. So AUD Swiss Franc, this is good for a sell. The cross has happened already. So once you see the cross to the downside, take your sell entry and pick your profit before 0.7002. All right, AUD Swiss Franc, go for sell and pick your profit before 0.7002. So AUD Swiss Franc, sell. Next pair I'll be talking about AUD Jpy. All AUD pairs are returning from a strong resistance zone, so this may cause it to move down. So for AUD Jpy, this is a support which has been tested, so we may expect price to move up some more on AUD Jpy before we can see more drop. So AUD Jpy, the next target for this pair is 81.98. All right, but we want to wait for a good pullback to the upside. AUD Jpy, wait for the pullback, then take your sell entry. So AUD Jpy is good for a sell and take your profit before 81.98. AUD Jpy, look for a sell. AUD USD, this is a strong this is a support level which price has been tested. So as AUD is currently weak, this may not have the ability to push up pretty much before the drop can come in again. So if this level get broken, if the 0.7580 get broken on AUD USD, the next target is, this is the next target. So the next target is going to be 0.7352. So AUD USD is good for a sell. AUD USD is good for a sell. You wait for the pullback and catch your sell entry and take your first profit before 0.7580, while your next profit is going to be at 0.7352. All right, so AUD USD, look for a sell. Either you wait for this to cross the 5 and 12 moving average to crush each other to the upside and take your sell on its way down, or enter through stochastic for this continuation entry. So AUD USD, look for a sell. AUD CAD, price is here to touch the support, so this is still expected to push down some more to 0.9474. So AUD card is expected to drop some more, so you wait for the pullback to the upside, then catch your sell entry. Either you wait for the pullback or you enter through continuation, which one of the two that comes in first. Okay, sell and look for a sell entry on AUD card and take your profit before 0.9474. AUD card, look for a sell. AUD Nzd, this is the significant resistance zone on weekly, so we still expect this to push up as Nzd is extremely weak. Okay, so with this, we may expect this to break this level to touch 1.1033. So AUD Nzd, look for a buy. The cross has happened, so you look for a buy and take your first profit at 1.0931. All right, so you want to be careful with AUD Nzd as both pairs are currently weak, but AUD is slightly stronger than Nzd, but you want to be careful with this pair because it may not move very well. So AUD Nzd, look for a buy. Next pair I'll be talking about is Aud Swiss Franc. Aud Swiss Franc. This where I'm expecting price to visit this level again, to visit 0.7483 again. So that's where I'm expecting price to test again. If ever, it's not going to break, but I still feel price still has the ability to break to the upside to this level. All right, so but that's going to be a long way for us. So Aud Swiss Franc price is expected to push up to 0.7483. So you want to look for a buy entry on Aud Swiss Franc. So you wait for the pullback to happen back to the moving average, to the 120 moving average, and take your buy and take your first profit before 0.7468, while your next profit is going to be 0.7483. So Aud Swiss Franc, look for a buy. Swiss Franc Jpy. Swiss Franc Jpy, this is still expected to push down very well to around 11396. So this may not happen in the next 1 week. So we'll still expect this to keep pushing down. So the nearest target for this is going to be this level. So the nearest target for Swiss Franc Jpy is going to be 11501. All right. So on H4, the pair is currently sitting at a support. So this may cause it to pull up some more to give us a retracement before we can see the level being broken, but it's not certain. 85% of the 85% assurance that this level is probably going to get broken, but we may want it to pull back up some more before it can come back. So let's wait for the pullback to the upside, then catch your sell entry and take your first profit before this support. All right, take your first profit before this support, before 11596, and your next profit is going to be 11501. So Swiss Franc Jpy, look for a sell. The next pair I'll be talking about is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Euro is returning from a strong support. It's returning from a strong support. So we may see this keep going up You may see this keep going up. So with this, we expect price to pull up to at least 1.55662. Okay, AUD, Euro AUD. So look for a buy entry. Once the stock, the 5 and 12 crosses back to the upside, take your buy entry and take your profit before 1.5662. Euro AUD, look for a buy. Euro AUD, look for a buy. Euro JPY. This is still has the move to the downside. So you still have the opportunity to push down to 127.21. Euro JPY. So we'll wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback on Euro JPY and look for a sell. Okay, either you enter through the pullback or you enter through continuation. So and look for a sell and take your first profit before 128.16. Before 128.16, and your next target is going to be 127.21. So Euro JPY, look for a sell. Euro JPY, look for a sell. Euro card. Euro card, this is still very much expected to push down probably to this level, but anything can happen. But the candle that closed last week, we had some rejection, but not a perfect pin bar to the upside. But we have some rejection, so this may cause this to pull up, but we will see as card is very, very strong right now. So Euro card, it has broken the resistance, so you allow it to come down a little bit more, then take the structure this way. Let it come back, go back up, then catch it on its way down. All right, so look out for sell. Probably later tomorrow, in the next 12 hours or so, we may see something like that. All right, so Euro card, start looking for a sell. Euro Nzd. This pair, I'm expecting it to push up some more, but right, that's touched the 120 moving average on daily. So, but anything can happen with this. So this is still buy bias. If this pull back a little bit more, okay, and see it go back up, take your buy entry and catch out before 1.77065. Okay, because Nzd is weak, so this may cause this pair to push to the upside. So Euro Nzd, look for a buy. Euro Nzd, look for a buy. Euro Swiss franc. Swiss franc is a little bit weak, so we may expect this to also push up some more because of the formation of this move, which is like a flag. So we may see this keep going up, as this is a flag. This is a flag which has been broken. So this is expected to keep pushing up to 1.1148. All right, Euro Swiss franc 1.1148. So once the cross happen, take your buy entry and cash out before 1.1148. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. Euro GBP. Okay, this is going for a retest, so it may not have the ability to move up pretty good, but nevertheless we can see cash some trade opportunity in between. So Euro GBP is still good to look for a buy if the opportunity comes up. Okay, look for a buy between 5 and 12 moving average, or use the continuation and take your first profit before 0.8366, while your next target is going to be right above, right at 0.8713. Euro GBP, look for a buy. Euro GBP, look for a buy. Euro USD, this has broken a level right here, but we expect it to keep coming down to 1.1616. Euro USD is expected to keep coming down to 1.1616. A level has been broken right here and it has been retested. So start looking for a sell on Euro USD. Look for a sell. Okay, it seems the continuation is going to be the reason why we will enter this trade. So wait for the stochastics to cross as at the time of this analysis and take your sell trade. All right. So, and catch your entry. You may catch your first profits at 1.1771, while your next target is going to be 1.1616. Euro USD, look for a sell. Euro USD, look for a sell. GJ is also returning from a strong resistance, so we still expect it to push down some more, pretty more. So GJ is good for a sell. So take your sell and catch your first profit before 1.4816. 1.4816, while the overall weekly target is going to be somewhere here. All right. So Gbp Jpy, look for a sell. Look for a sell. Either you enter through the continuation or you wait for the first signal between 5 and 12 EMA. GJ, look for a sell. GU Gbp USD, so before the end of this week, I expect this pair to push down to 1.3445. All right, GU, I expect it to push down to 1.3445. So let's start looking for a sell entry on GU. The cross is about to happen. Once the cross happens, take your first trade, take your first profit right at this level. Okay, your stop loss is going to be above, so your first profit is going to be right here, while your next profit is going to be down below. All right, GU, so sorry about that, looking at wrong time frame. So wait for this pullback to happen. I was looking at the wrong time frame. The pullback may happen, then you take your trade and take your first profit at 1.3679, or you either enter through the continuation between through the stochastic. So GU, look for a sell. GN Gbp Nzld, this is still I'm still expecting this to pull up to 1.9751 GN. So we want to look out for a good buying opportunity to the upside, and our first profit will be 1.9751. Okay, while our overall target rather may be right above here. All right, so GN, look for a buy. Gbp Nzld, look for a buy. GA, okay, this is most likely going to touch the resistance again. Okay, it's most likely going to touch this resistance at the third time at 1.8111. All right, so GA, you look for a buy as once the stochastic crosses back to the upside, look for a buy and take your first profit before 1.8111. GA, look for a buy. GA, look for a buy. GCAD. GCAD. GCAD has tested a support right here. Okay, so we are going to see how market is going to react, but stochastic is still telling us on daily that this is still facing down. So as you can see, a level has been broken right here. This level has been broken, so this is a confirmation that this is still going to keep going down. All right, GCAD. So we expect this to keep going down to somewhere here. Okay, to somewhere here, but this may happen between now and next week. So GCAD, let's look for a buy. Sorry, rather look for a sell. GCAD, look for a sell. Okay, look for a sell and take your first profit before 1.7201. All right, either you enter through the continuation or you wait for the pullback. Okay, it's good for a sell. GCAD, look for a sell. Nzld USD. Nzld USD is we are still looking forward to this pair to drop some more to 0.6761 Nzld USD. So a support, sorry, Nzld USD, yes, a support has been broken right here. Okay, the support has been broken right there, so this is expected to keep dropping, but we may start looking for another pull, a little pullback to the upside, then the drop. All right, but if the pullback does not happen, you can enter through the stochastic on continuation. Nzld USD, look for a sell. Nzld Jpy, as you can see, all NZDs are returning from a resistance. So we can see right here a demand zone which has just been tested, but I'm optimistic this is going to get broken and come down to 73.58. Okay, but before that, we may see price push back up. As you can see, price is responding to that. So let's wait for the pullback. Nzld Jpy, then catch your sell entry and take your first profit before 75.41. Nzld Jpy, look for a sell. Nzld card is our next pair. This is where this is expected to drop down to this week. Okay, but price is currently responding to this level. So NZD card, we want to look out for a sell. Okay, price is slowing down, which may cause it to reverse, to give a pullback. So look for a sell or you enter through continuation. All right, price is already slowing down to give the next direction. So NZD card, look for a sell. The last pair I'll be talking about is Nzld Swiss Franc. Nzld Swiss Franc is expected to drop some more to 0.6414. So a level has been broken right here on daily for Nzld Swiss Franc. So this is going to give it the opportunity to drop down to 0.6414. Nzld Swiss Franc is good for a sell. All right, we have seen the cross already, so this may pull back up to this level. Nzld Swiss franc may pull back up to this level before the drop. Okay, so catch your sell entry, right? Catch your sell entry on its way down, and make sure you manage your trade accordingly. So this is what I have for you guys before I call it a day. The pairs to look out for is AUD Swiss franc sell, AUD JPY sell, AUD USD sell, AUD CAD sell, AUD NZD buy, CAD Swiss franc buy, Swiss franc JPY sell, AUD Euro AUD look for a buy, Euro JPY look for a sell, Euro CAD look for a sell, Euro NZD look for a buy, Euro Swiss franc look for a buy, Euro GBP buy, Euro USD sell, Gbp Jpy sell, Gbp USD sell, Gbp Nzd buy, Gbp AUD buy, Gbp CAD sell, Nzd USD sell, Nzd Jpy sell, Nzd CAD sell, Nzd Swiss franc sell. So guys, this is what I have for you today. The weak pairs, according to this analysis, all the weak pairs, we have 3 weak pairs. The first one is AUD is weak, NZD is weak, Swiss franc is also weak, but not as weak as AUD and NZD. All right, Swiss franc is also weak, but not as weak as AUD NZD. The strong pair we have is USD and CAD. All right, JPY is average, Euro is average. All right, USD is strong, CAD is strong, JPY is average, Euro is average. All right, while GBP we expect it to go weak before the end of the week. So guys, this is what I have for you guys between now and Friday 26th. So start looking out for this trade opportunity, and I wish you guys the very best. Once again, this is the king strategy. For those of you who do not know about this strategy, according to our analysis and according to our record and everything that has to do with this strategy has close to 80% win rates, which means if you take 10 trades with this trade, you are sure of winning 8 if you take it the right way. So if you want to learn about this strategy, there's a link down below, okay, for you to learn about this strategy, so you can take your time to watch everything about how to use this strategy, then utilize this analysis until you perfect it. Actually, you should know that this is not an investment advice. This analysis is not an investment advice. It is just our view for the week. All right, so make sure you do your own analysis very well before you take any trade. So thank you so much guys for having me. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay, and make sure you click the bell icon and help us share this video with your family and friends. So I'll see you guys more on the group. If you are not on our Telegram group, there's a link down below for you to click to join our Telegram group. There a lot of activities are happening. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much and happy trading. Peace out.